YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J. Happy 4th of July, guys. We are going to talk about some Toshi Coin today. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin today. Before we get into it, I got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just a homie Crypto J. So don't buy nothing that you see in this video. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at 107 a day, hit 110 yesterday. Seeing a rejection here, but still creating higher lows, right? Are we starting to break down? That's what people want to know. We do know that we're going into the weekend. Today is Friday. It's Friday, right? But we do know that, again, we see usually sell off into the weekend. So people are like, what the heck? What do you think is going to happen this weekend? Let's see, right? Total market cap coming in at 3.31 trillion. Fear greed index coming in at 55. We went up a little bit, right? We went up a little bit in the fear greed index. We're getting close to that green, dangerously close. But the question is, are we going to see a breakout on this fear greed index? Are we going to see a breakout on Bitcoin, or are we going to see a breakdown? Right? We've talked about this fear greed index in the past being something that we have to be paying attention to, just based off of prior cycles and how Bitcoin has acted when it has been in this orange zone, and or when it's been in the yellow, and how many times it's touched the orange zone in similar times, right? So we already know kind of the fear of what can possibly happen if we do reject down and retouch this orange. But I want to talk about some of the things that I'm still bullish on in the market, and that again on Bitcoin. We'll talk about it, right? Because again, I do say that price action will happen usually later in the week, and I said that we needed a good strong close yesterday, but did we get it? Right? We touched all the way at 11 or at 10.5 yesterday. Is it enough, or are we going to start creating a shoulder, head, shoulder? This is actually a huge weekend for Bitcoin, which is pretty amazing. As you guys can see, again, we're still creating higher lows. We're still starting to round out this pattern, but the fear of the shoulder, head, shoulder is very real, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder here. This thing wants to see a retest of this 105. I would be very concerned, right? But right now, with where we're sitting now, I'm not too concerned. We're still creating higher lows. So again, we're not looking too bad on a lot of these charts. You guys can see on this one day, we ain't doing too bad. Also on some of these more longer term charts, 7 day, again, looking like we're just seeing a little weekend volatility. Hopefully we don't break down too much in this weekend. What do you guys think? Are you bearish or are you bullish? Also, what are you guys doing today for 4th of July? You got anybody barbecuing? Right? Anybody got any good food that they're making today? And there's some of the betas, right? They're gonna be eating the hot dog without the bun today, right? What the? But but I want to know what you guys are doing for 4th of July. I'm just pretty much gonna be posted up all day today, posting and West Coasting. So we'll probably make some more episodes. Again, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell notification just in case we go live. I might go live. You might see me throwing down on the barbecue. What do you know about that? How about that, right? As you guys can see, let's talk about some Toshi. Toshi's seeing some good price action. Oh boy, did we break that 200 million range? Are we going to start tearing up? We hit 220 yesterday. Are you serious? Wow. I didn't make a video last night, but this happened. Yeah, this happened last night. We hit 220. Wow. Bullish. Bullish. Right? Toshi Coin up in the past 24 hours. 5%. I love it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. As you guys could see, possible double bottom forming here on Toshi. On the one day we were talking about this, we had a head shoulder here. I was telling you guys, look, we could break above, that 200 million range. We can really see a big run up. I'm still sticking with that. We just saw the thing run up to 220, but I still think that, again, we could see a breakout of this range now. It's gonna be a decent sized gap for Toshi. I'm excited if I'm bullish on the market. If I'm bearish on the market, then I'm probably gonna be eating the hot dogs today without the bun, right? Like some of the betas. But I'm feeling good on this market, guys. I mean, on the weekly, you guys can see we're looking like we have a giant gap, right? You can really see the gap on the weekly, right? If this thing really wants to break out, it could drive some FOMO into the market. You guys could see some people taking up some bigger positions right now, right? Wonder why. I wonder why, right? Bitcoin creating higher lows over here. The indicator that, again, maybe if we don't see too much blood in this weekend, if we don't see too much blood in the weekend, we can see some more upside, right? Interesting, interesting. Let's talk about also kind of what the peanut gallery is saying. I want to know again what you guys think, though. This guy said 7 minutes ago he's bearish, right? So it's still a split sentiment. This guy saying 10 minutes ago, coiled for a breakout, bulls getting ready to spike. I think that this is a chance. There is a chance that that is the case. I'm still bullish on it. Again, wanted to see a good close. I don't know if we saw a good close, but we're still creating higher lows. And today is Friday. It's Friday. I mean, maybe we do have a good close today on Friday, right? Markets ain't closed. Markets open right now. How about that, right? We just talk about Thursdays because usually we see, this sell-off usually happening a little bit on Friday and a little bit more on the weekend. But we'll see if that's going to be the case. Again, it looks like a possible trend reversal here. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.